Uniswap shows a potential 5.9% gain by August 4, per Gov Capital update. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. As we speak, Uniswap has gone down 0.6% and is sitting around $4.143. Let's unpack today's forecast from experts. Tomorrow, Gov Capital expects the price to reach $4.385, a gain of approximately 5.9%. Uniswap is likely to approach $4.248 per 30 rates, showing a rise of about 2.6%. According to CoinLore, it might trend lower toward $4.12, an estimated decrease near 0.5%. Another analysis released by Crypto Predictions points to Uniswap drifting lower toward $2.398, a loss estimated near 42.1%. That wraps the forecast block. Let's continue. All four forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. From all projections combined, the move could be from a decline of 42.1% to a gain of 5.9%. To sum it up, Crypto Predictions offers the highest forecast with 42.1% gain in value by August 4. This means you could collect between $5 and $421 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability, CoinLore has the lead with a 94.1% chance of success. With all forecasts compared, I've formed a combined consensus scenario. According to the average forecast, Uniswap is expected to hover near $3.788. Okay, let's break it down. The consensus calculation shows a 8.5% drop by tomorrow. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 8.5%, reflecting that same shift. On every 1,000, this scenario could mean $85 of upside. In practical terms, the chance of the consensus forecast for Uniswap proving accurate is around 22.6%. As we continue, let's check what analysts expect over the 3-day horizon. Gov Capital suggests the short-term path is upward. 30 rates points to further downside potential. A climb is highlighted by CoinLore, pointing to bullish sentiment. Crypto Predictions expects Uniswap to decline steadily. Consensus analysis indicates Uniswap facing a bearish path across the 3-day outlook. Bringing everything together, 50% of forecasts suggest Uniswap is likely to decline. 4 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Let's see how they held up in reality. In the end, the last candle closed at $4.171. Given that outcome, every forecast matched the correct direction. The closest prediction came from CoinDataFlow. Now comes the breakdown. Yesterday's move showed 3 forecasts inside. In terms of ROI, every forecast was positive and 30 rates led overall. Here's the complete report, all outcomes compiled into one simple view. According to the fact-check, CoinPrice forecast recorded 0.3% ROI and accuracy. Try to find which forecast actually matched how the market moved. And now let's take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow compare across different cryptocurrencies based on consensus forecasts. Uniswap ranks in second place, while Render leads with a potential return of 9.2%. At this point, Uniswap is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. If you're here to stay updated on Uniswap, a simple like will help me keep making these reviews. Catch you tomorrow.